Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily restore phone icon on your Android device. Friends, let us get down to this topic, and please don't forget to put your likes under the video. Also write a comment and subscribe to our channel. So friends, if on your Android, you can't find the phone app or phone icon anywhere on your work screen. Maybe you deleted it accidentally. Maybe you deleted it earlier on purpose to keep it out of your way. Then I will show you how you can easily find it back. So to do that, you need to swipe from the bottom to the top. And now you can either swipe from side to side or from top to bottom to find this app. Or the easiest method would be in the search bar. Just type in the word phone. When the phone app comes up, just click on it and hold it down. And now you will need to add it to your screen. So as you can see, has been added now the phone icon to the screen. It just happens differently in all Android. Some will need to tap Add to Screen. Some will need to tap, hold, and drag the app wherever you want. So once the phone icon has been added to your Android screen, and let's say you'd like to move it, you'll need to hold down on it until you get a line like this, and then you can move it. Or friends, the second option how you can move the icon on your Android device is to tap and hold on an empty field. As you can see, this way some windows appear near the apps, and you get widgets and so on. And now you can take your app, tap on it, hold on it, and move it to wherever you want it to go. After that, friends, to save the changes, just tap on the blank screen of your Android. This is the way you can restore your phone icon on your Android device. I really hope, friends, that this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments under this video, and also subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.